Hey, what's going on everybody? Nathan here, Brookside Landscape and Design, and today we have a super fun project for you. And by super fun, I mean super difficult. So basically, just kind of accessibility here on the island of Bainbridge. It's going to give us some grief, but here we've got this stone that is pre-drilled for us that we're going to install on this little Aqua Basin 30 with some rockery and some lights. The other part of this project involves rolling about 5 tons of stone up back to the yonder. So let me show you what's up with back there. And here we are. So this is gonna be the site of a 14-foot or so pondless waterfall with about, going up to right in there, about 5 feet of elevation change. We're gonna get digging on this here hole, cut some shelves, and then install a cool pondless waterfall. All right, so I'm standing on this hill, and where Garrett's standing is probably about 2 feet above my head. For reference, I'm 6'1", and our truck's parked down there. So I resent everything that's still in the truck. Okay, so we had a little snafu. The liner that we had brought wasn't big enough, so we had Scott go back and grab another sheet. So we're coming up here, we're gonna work on this little fountain, just kind of like a little courtyard. That's the outdoor space up there, so it'll just be a nice little attraction as you walk from the front up to the back. We're gonna do lights, that little rock right there with the pipe in it, and just cool little nook feature. All right, we're just absolutely jumping all over the place today. We need a 1/2-inch male thread to barb for the fountain, which we don't have. So we're gonna start working on the fountain, or the pondless again, because Scott showed up with our liner that's properly sized. So we're gonna go work on that now. All right, Bainbridge Island is cold in the winter. Garrett's got his wolf-proof jacket on, according to him. We've got our barb fitting finally in there, and we're gonna take that there concrete fountain with that there rock, and we're gonna put it on this here basin. All right, we're back up here at the Pondless Waterfall. This morning we got the fountain done. Scott's carrying a rock like he carries a baby. Basalt's our heavier rock, kind of sucks. We're gonna get this thing banged out, so without further ado, enjoy this time lapse. For this project, we used Aquascape's large Aquablox and Pondless Waterfall Pump Vault with extension to form the basin. The basin houses the AquaSurge 5,000 gallon power pump and holds about 180 gallons. To build the falls, we are using quality basalt and river cobble. We are also adding some LED lights for after hours enjoyment. Can I get you to plug this in over here? All right, everybody. So at my moment of truth, we're gonna kick it on for the first time to make sure our joints are intact here, but let's see what happens. Wow, much water.
Much water?
Oof. See, we got a pretty big spot to fix over there. Pretty big spot to fix over there. Pretty big spot to fix over there. All right, we're experiencing technical difficulties. Oh, it's sucking air. All right, well, we got some work to do. Okay, we are done with the construction part of this project. I'm sure you can hear the waterfall behind you, but I don't want to show yet because we're still cleaning up, and I'd hate to show you an unfinished product because that's not fair to you guys, the viewers. So I'm going to give you guys a quick little rundown of the project. We started with, in the back, we had an old Pondless Waterfall that the customer had never seen working. So we tore that out and started construction of a new one, but then they also had a small stand-up concrete fountain that was cast to look like some sort of mountain stone. I'm not sure, maybe like a limestone type deal. But it was really neat, so we threw it in a nice little cove here on the other side of the house where it'll just sort of radiate sound off into the two decks that are around. So here is this feature.